This is real na. Inday is flying tomorrow. Sa Jollibee. Inday, are you gonna miss us? How about Ibrahim? I'm asking Inday if she's gonna miss you. A little bit because you're coming back after 2 weeks, right? Ginagawa mo! Wow! Kamusta po ang handa?
Nice.
Ay, busy ka naman. Wala ka ng kwarto, wala pang kwarta.
Wala akong kwenta.
Wala kang kwarto
At wala akong kwarta. Wala akong kwenta. Grrr. Andang kong grrr. Ang penis naman.
I'm gonna miss you, Day. Be safe. Enjoy mo lang. Bye na kayo, Day. Bye na. Oh, baka naman. She'll cry. No. Ingat, Day. Ingat.
2 weeks, ha?
Ingat.
Bye, Day.
Paalis ka na daw. Di mo pa rin napapayarap si Dome. Ay, sana all. Hey, thanks for the dinner. Iiyak yan. Ingat, Day. Thank you. Sulat ka.